Hi, my name is Julian Francisco of Office Huddle. We are thrilled to have you back in another training episode of Huddle Obsession. Through the years, marketers have been exploring different styles and techniques to come up with a marketing strategy that is strong and effective. Part of that list is video marketing. Watch this video to learn how you can take advantage of video marketing to grow your business fast. But before anything else, I want you to hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you get notified every time you upload another video dedicated just for you. Alright, let's hop onto it. According to Wiseold's State of Video Marketing Survey in 2020, 92% of marketers agree that videos are a significant part of your marketing plans. This is essentially true, especially that we are in the digital age. More and more people are clamoring to the internet and social media sites to stay connected, easily communicate, and be updated with the latest news or trends. High-traffic online platforms have been a massive opportunity for companies to place their advertisements on and market their businesses. In the same study, 88% of marketers say that video marketing provides them positive return of investment. It only proves that video marketing is a solid instrument to boost your business compared to other formats. Alongside with this is the people's consumption of videos, which is rapidly growing in 2021. It shows that there is an increase in the number of people who are engaging into video contents. In a nutshell, video marketing generates good performance and also provides significant amount of value in order for the company to progress and advance. It is our mission to impart with you strategic plans on building a better business. As you watch this training episode, you will learn how you can make use of video marketing to help your business produce progress. So let's start. Number 1 is creative way to explain. Copywriting and imagery are powerful methods to share your business to your target audience. It is a smart technique to illustrate a product or service. However, with the fast-paced lifestyle that we have today, it becomes difficult to clearly explain key points in a 15-minute read or through an image. On the other hand, a video gives your business more impact when marketed this way. Through video marketing, you can precisely express how the product or service can help your audience in a more realistic approach. Added by graphics, colors, and music, your video becomes more appealing and effective in gaining paying customers. Number 2 is placement. Areas where you upload your videos have a significant effect to your business. According to WordStream, by simply adding a video on your website or landing page already increases the rate of your buying clients by 80%. More than that, including videos on your webpage also build up your online presence. When your videos are present in social networking sites and are optimized with good graphics and right title, your business is 53 times more likely to show up on Google result page. Pro tip: use video marketing in your email campaign. You have the option to transform the content of your video with a custom-fit approach dedicated to the receiver, as if you are directly addressing it to the recipient. Another way to use video marketing is to educate. An old yet effective strategy to market any product or service is through educating your potential customer. This is a smart approach when you explain your business to your target market. Make it more even powerful when you combine video and education. An educational approach powered by an effective video has the ability to influence the buying decision of a person. Inform your market the advantages, benefits, and ways your products and services are capable of addressing their concerns. Explain your edge that makes you stand out among your competitors. This way, your audience can clearly distinct why you are the right option to choose. Another approach of video marketing is through demo. The market has grown the habit of searching for demos and engage on this kind of activity to help them decide before purchasing any product or service. 50% of online users look for product-related videos to gather information about a certain product or service. According to HubSpot marketing statistics for 2021, 4 out of 5 people agree that demos were helpful in their buying journey. producing a demo video is a very good tactic to demonstrate how to use, avail, or buy any product or service that you are offering. This also paved the way to the rise of video reviews found online, which gave huge support to marketers and entrepreneurs in growing their business. Number 5 is higher conversion rate. Video supplemented by graphics, music, and other elements used for video enhancement can increase your conversion rate by 80%. Studies prove that 74% of online users who have watched any video for marketing purposes about the product eventually bought the item or service. In video marketing, not only does it use visual presentations, but it also uses the sense of hearing, making the video even more engaging and believable. Make sure that you are integrating the right elements in your video because as much as it has the power to convince a client to purchase from you, it can also take away the opportunity of generating leads if not done correctly. Another use of video marketing is it builds relationship. A study by Red Peak Branding states that your target market projects loyalty and love towards a brand or any business who appeals to them on an emotional level. Meaning, videos with an emotional impact is more effective in building trust and relationship with customers. This is a crucial part in growing a business as you need to nurture and display value towards your existing and potential clients in order to keep them loyal to you. Ensure as well that the other components of your video like music and tone of narration are aligned with the concept of your video to produce utmost performance and achieve the emotional impact you are aiming for. Video marketing makes information easier to relay and consume. This answers the demand of modern consumers who are looking for ways how to see the product in action for them to appreciate the product or service better. Let me know what you think about today's episode by leaving a comment down below, and don't forget to share this video across your social media accounts so you can help others train too. We have plenty of business strategies coming up. Don't go away.